In this video I will show you how to quickly and easily replace the main light bulbs on a 2016 Toyota Corolla Fielder. Let's start with the headlights. There are 4 bulbs inside each headlight unit. Starting from the center of the car and moving outward, these are turning signal bulb, parking light bulb, high beam bulb, dipped beam bulb, This is how to change the driving light beam bulb. Twist the bulb counterclockwise and pull it back to remove it. It is an H11, just like the high beam, so in case of an emergency you can borrow it from there. Now it's the time to remove the connector. It is a bit tricky and you will need to pry out the plastic retainer with something long and flat. Most bulb connectors can be removed just by pressing the retainer with your fingers, but high and dipped beam bulbs are more tricky. Once you have the bulb in your hands, you should see the bulb type printed somewhere on its body. This information will help you to buy the correct replacement. The most common headlight bulb types are H4, H7 and H11. Make sure to match both the bulb type and the wattage to avoid compatibility issues. Avoid touching the glass part of the bulb with bare fingers. If needed, wear thin rubber gloves. To reinstall the bulb, put the connector back, insert the bulb to its socket and turn clockwise until it clicks in. Moving to the rear, the tail lights contain 3 bulbs. From the bottom to the top, these are turning signal bulb, stop tail light combo bulb, reverse light bulb. To access them, open the trunk and remove the small plastic flap as shown in the video. Visibility is limited, so you mostly rely on feel. Take your time. With a bit of trial and error, you'll find the bulbs. For this example, I'm going to remove the indicator light bulb. If you're unsure which one you're touching, try giving it a gentle wiggle and watch from outside to confirm which bulb is moving. There are a few other bulbs on the Corolla Fielder that are more difficult and time-consuming to replace. These include fog light bulbs, side mirror indicator bulbs, rear number plate bulbs. If you'd like a step-by-step video guide for any of these, just let me know in the comments below. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up. It really helps the channel. And if you have any questions or want to request a specific video, drop a comment below. I read everyone. Thanks for watching and see you next time.